Hey there, welcome back to Our Life Simplified. I'm Laura. I have some questions for you to answer first before we start on the video today. Do you have a garden? And if so, do you eat eggs, drink coffee, eat bananas, and do you have some fur babies? If you have a garden and you answered yes to one or more of those questions, then you need to stick around because in this video today, I am going to share with you some tips and tricks that I utilize that will help benefit my garden and my dogs. Stick around and let's get started. Tip number 1, if you cook with eggs, be sure to save the eggshells. Set them on a plate, let them sit several days to about a week until they're completely dried out. And then I simply put it in a Ziploc bag and crush them down. And I will sprinkle this in my garden, and it's beneficial because it has calcium for the plants. And also if you have issues with snails or anything like that, the eggshells will help prevent them from traveling to your plants if you sprinkle this around your plants because of the sharp edges. Tip number 2, if you drink coffee and you have a Keurig machine, be sure you open the foil and save your coffee grounds and place that into the garden. Tip number 3, if you have bananas and you didn't quite eat them in time and they get ripe, be sure you peel the banana and add the skins to water. Let it steep for at least 24 hours, and you can use this as a potassium tea. Potassium is great for your plants. It helps in greening and promotes blooming. So I generally use this in my potted plants. And what to do with the ripe bananas? You can either make banana bread out of it, or sometimes, especially in the summer, we will make a frozen dog treat made out of the bananas, natural peanut butter, and Greek yogurt. We mix up. So for the dog treats, to my blender, I added approximately a cup of Greek yogurt, plain, and 100% natural peanut butter. It's only got peanuts in it. And I had some leftover blueberries in the fridge, needed to be used, so I threw in 3 handfuls, so I'd say that's approximately 3/4 of a cup. And then the ripe bananas that I talked to you about. So I'm just going to blend this up, and then I'm going to pour it in the molds. After I blended it up, I poured it in these molds, and now I'm going to pop them in the freezer. These are perfect treats for your dogs in the summertime when it's super hot. And I'm sure they will like it anytime, but since they're frozen treats, they will love it in the summer. I'll be sure to include the recipe of how I made these in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful, so be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.